Hi, let's solve a new problem. 205 power of 4 minus 195 power of 4. To solve this problem, first we assume let A equal 205 and B equal 195. So now we can write that A power of 4 minus B power of 4. So this is an algebra we can use here. We use the difference rule, which is a power of 2 minus b power of 2 power of 2, right? So we use the difference rule, which is a square minus b square equal a plus b times a minus b. So we can write that a square plus b square and then a square minus b square. So now this a square minus b square, we can write that a plus b times a minus b times a square plus b square already there. So now we assume a is 205, b is 195. If we are adding that, a plus b will be 0, 1 carry 0, which is 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 makes 400. So we got here this is a plus b equal 400 times a minus b. So if we subtract it, that means a minus b we got, then 0, 9 to 10 is 1, we got 10, that means 10 times. Now we have to find a square plus b square, that means 205 square plus 195 square. Now 205 square, how we find that? So 205 power of 2, we can write that 200 plus 5 square. Now we use an algebraic identity, a plus b power of 2 equal a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we can write that 200 square plus 5 square plus, we need to multiply that 2 times 200 times 5. So now 200 square means 200 times 200. We can write that plus 5 square is 5 times 5, which is 25, plus 5 times 2, which is 10. 10 times 2 will be 20, and then we add 2 0. Now 200 and 200, if you multiply, 2 times 2 4, and then we put 4 0 plus 25 plus 2000. If you're adding all of them, so 40,000 plus 2000 means 42,000, and 42,000 if you add 25, so we got 5 plus 0 5, 2 plus 0 2, 0 2 4. So we got 42,025. That means we can substitute here 400 times 10 times 205 square, which is 42,025 plus 195 square. So we need to find here 195 square. So we need to find 195 square, which is 195. We can write that 200 minus 5 square. And we use another algebraic identity, which is a minus b power of 2 equal a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we can write that 200 square plus 5 square minus 2 times 200 times 5, 200 square, we already got 2 times 2, 4, and then 0, 0, 5 square, 25, minus 5 times 2, 10, times 2, 20, and then put 2, 0, so 40,000 minus 2,000, we got 38,000 plus 25. If we adding that, we got 38,025. Now we place them 38,025. So we need to add 42,025 plus 38,025. If we adding that, we got 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, which is 5, 0, 8 plus 2, 10, 1 carry, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, which is 8. That means we got 400 times 10 will be 4,000. We need to multiply that 80,050. Now 80,050, if we multiply with 4, so we got 0, 4 times 5, 20, 2 carry, again 4 times 0, 0, and then we add 2, 4 times 0 will be 0, 4 times 8, which is 32. So we can write that 32, 0, 2, 0, 0, and then last we add this 3, 0. So we got 320 million 200,000. That's our final answer. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel. I need your support. Please give me subscribe and thumbs up my channel. Thank you so much.